everyone. I'm Ira from grade 2D. I'm going to present the properties of air along with my friends. Air moves objects. Air is a powerful force. It can push the objects. The leaves and sheets of paper is flying when the air is blown. The moving air causes the kites fly. The air is made up of tiny particles. The inflated balloon on my right is heavy and goes down. The deflated balloon comes up in the balance, proving that it has no weight. This shows air has weight. Air occupies the space. Now I inflate the balloon by blowing the air. Little air, smaller the size. More air, medium the size. Plenty of air, larger the size. This shows the air occupies the space. Air exerts pressure. Quarter portion of the glass is filled with air. I close it with the lid and flip the glass. The water or the lid is not falling. It is because the downward force of the water is less. The upward force of air pressure is more. It proves air exerts pressure. Thank you. Thank you, dear friends, for watching. We are incredibly proud of my STEM school. It ignites our curiosity, encourages us to use our hands, minds and creativity to truly understand the world. Thank you.
The end.